This is how I recovered $30,000 of lost token for a subscriber today.
Hello guys, it's me again. So I recovered the sum of $30,000 worth of token, technically mumu token, for a subscriber from this YouTube channel. And so I'm going to tell you how it happened and how everything was recovered. So here's a little story is how people lose their token. Starting with me, anyone could lose their token on the blockchain, and so was my case few years ago. I lost a few $100 on my MetaMask wallet. And what happened? I struggled all through the day researching, trying to get a YouTube video and stuff to have my token recovered, but I didn't find any single video that could serve as a solution to my problem. And I dug up a whole lot of things that gave me an idea, materials and stuff that gave me an idea on how to work on my recovery. After many trial and error, I successfully recovered my token on MetaMask. Technically, I sent my token BNB to MetaMask on Ethereum network, and I sent it to an Ethereum address. When I did that recovery, I made a single video that turned the entire ecosystem around. From then till now, a whole lot of things have changed in the industry, ranging from on-chain recovery to off-chain recovery to self-custodial recovery to non-self-custodial recovery, which means you can recover coins sent to wrong address in your wallet, or missing cryptos on your wallet, or recover cryptos sent to wrong address on an exchange. Let's say you send an Ethereum to, let's say, a BNB address. You can recover it on exchange such as Binance, Coinbase and stuff like that. So you could have that recovered. So here's the thing. This subscriber sent a token called mumu token to Solana address on a ledger, and he couldn't figure out how to recover it, and he contacted me via email. And after so many works, of course, he gave me, just like most persons have done, he successfully gave me all the tools that I needed to work on the wallet, and within a few minutes I was able to recover the sum of $30,000 that he lost on his ledger. Okay, so I successfully recovered it and sent it to him in USDT, just the way he preferred it. So here's the thing. Most people think that it's only foolish people or dummy people that lose cryptocurrency, and I want to tell you that this can happen to any person, a professional, intermediate, or even newbies. Majority of the cases always is newbies, but if it has happened to you before, there's always that tendency that you're going to be very careful next time you're transacting. So this is how, as a professional, most times you could be busy up with something, or you could just, things could mix up. A lot of things mix up. You could copy an address not knowing. You could have an address on your mind and then copy a different address without knowing. So if your own case is different, you could actually recover tokens sent to, if you sent a token to another token address. Let's say you send a Solana to mumu token address, or you sent Ethereum to BNB address, or you send USDT to Ethereum address and you don't know how to recover it. You could always boss me. My email is in the description. So if you actually send crypto to wrong network, you could as well recover it. Now note, okay, this is what you should note. Now exchanges like Binance, Coinbase that I know are able to help you with some recovery. You could also send your emails, but there are terms and conditions that applies to Binance and Coinbase. For KuCoin, Bybit and the rest of other exchanges, I've been able to help some users too, but in most cases they are very rigid when it comes to recoveries. Like, it's always a difficult case. It's always difficult to have tokens recovered on all those, on the rest of the other exchanges except Binance and Coinbase. For Coinbase, they are just limited network and limited recovery tools available on there. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in my next video.